Hi guys, welcome back to my vlog. This is Stan here with you. Well, in today's vlog, I'm going to show you how to remove and reuse your chain roller. So stay tuned for that. So these are all the things that you'll need for this DIY. First, you'll need an old tire tube like this. Secondly, you'll need two 12mm wrench. You'll need Fevikwik super glue, and you'll need a scissor. That's it. So the exact location of the chain roller is right about here. It's just next to the gear lever. I'll show it you from behind. See that there is the chain roller. As you can see, it is worn out pretty bad. That is what we need to remove. There is a 12mm bolt here and there's a 12mm nut behind. You need to lock that with one of the spanner, and you need to remove this bolt with the other spanner, and it should come out. First, you'll have to remove this 12mm nut along with the washer from behind the chain roller. Then push the 12mm bolt with the help of this flathead screwdriver from behind. And the 12mm bolt comes out. As you can see, this is how the chain roller looks like. It's completely worn out after the chain has been running through it. I need to mention that this chain roller was replaced during warranty during the first month itself. I think it's the updated chain roller, but I think I've ridden the bike on these chain rollers for around 15,000 kilometers. So that's the life of these chain rollers. Now we're going to see how to reuse this chain roller. So let's get to that. Now before I show you guys how to reuse this chain roller, a sub to the channel would be fantastic. So do that without fail. So now let's get to the next step. So now the next step would be to wash the tube as well as the roller and dry it thoroughly, and apply super glue onto the tube and stick it onto the roller. So this is how it looks after I fill the gap first. Now another layer of tube will go over this, like so. So this is how it looks after the tube was rolled over it for the first time. Now we'll apply a second layer of tube over it also. Now to know in which direction to install the roller, just note the letter R written on one side of the roller. So this R should come behind. So the letter R should come behind and the other side should point towards you. So R comes towards the rear. So this is how you should install it. Next, install the washer behind the roller and then the 12 mm nut. So that's it for this DIY, guys. It's actually fairly simple. I just showed you a technique on how to reuse the chain roller. Now once this chain roller actually gets worn out, what happens is the chain starts slapping with the roller and you get this annoying noise, and that's why you need to change it. But if you go to the service center, you'll have to spend nearly 1,000 bucks. I think the chain roller costs around 600 rupees and the labor would cost another 300 to 400 bucks. So that's 1,000 bucks already. And the worst part is that you will actually be polluting the environment by just throwing this chain roller away. So with this technique, you can actually reuse it and actually save the environment. I in total would have saved around 1,300 bucks because factoring in the 300 rupees fuel that I would have to use on this bike to go to the service center and come back. So that's it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this DIY, and if you did, please do hit the like button. Do consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't done already. And until next time, this is Stan signing out. Bye bye.